Good morning, children. I hope you all are well and good at home. Class prep, subject science, topic the animal world. Children, now we will read from the book. Please open your book, page 15. Animals are living things. We can see different kinds of animals around us. They need food, water, and safe place to live in. Some animals like horse, goat, and cow eat leaves and grass. Some animals like dog, lion, and tiger eat meat. Some animals are wild and live in forest to be away from people. Some animals live on land, some in trees, and many live in water. Children, turn your page. Some animals are tamed and can live with us. They are sometimes called domestic. For example, sheep, hen, and goat. See, these are wild animals. They live in forest. These animals cannot live with the people. And these are tamed animals. And these animals live with the people. See, hen, goat, sheep, goat, chick, and cat. Words meaning living things, having life. Different, not the same. Kinds, forms, and type. Forest, woodland, and we can say jungle also. Wildlife relating to forest. And these animals live in forest. These are big animals. They live in forest. Forest means jungle. Elephant, zebra, buffalo, horse, and tiger. And pet animals people keep at home. This hen, sheep, goat, chick, and cat. Important points. First, animals are living things. We see different kinds of animals. Third, they need food, water, and place to live in. And Fourth one, some animals eat grass. Fifth, some animals eat meat. Sixth, some animals live in water. Words, meanings. Living things having life. Having life means जो जिंदगी रखते हैं, जो सांस लेते हैं. Different, not the same. See, all the animals are different. Kinds, forms, types. See, hen, chick, sheep, elephant, they are not same. They are different types. Forest, woodland. Woodland means jungle. Wildlife relating to forest. Away, aside. Tamed, pet animals. Activity number 1. Fill in the blanks with correct words. Now children, you will tell me which word will come here. Elephant is a dash animal. Which word will come? Grass, food, animals, big, sheep. Which word will come? Big. Elephant is a big animal. Second, dash is a tamed animal. Sheep is a tamed animal. उर्दू में हम कहते हैं पालतू जानवर जो घरों में पाले जाते हैं. भेड़ घर में पाली जाती है. लोग अक्सर भेड़ घर में रखते हैं, मुर्गियां घर में रखते हैं, कुछ बच्चों को बिल्लियां बहुत पसंद होती हैं, वो भी घर में रखते हैं. वैसे ही sheep is a tamed animal. Animals need dash and water. Which word will come here? Food. Animals need food and water. Goat and cow eat what they eat? Grass. Dash are living things. Animals are living things. Activity number 2. Question: what are animals? Answer: animals are living things. Question: what do animals need to live? Answer: they need food, water, and safe place to live in. Thank you, children. God bless you. Stay safe, stay home.